this class, we'll discuss about conversion of fractions to decimals. Let's start now. This is the first sum here and it is given as 1 by 2. Here the denominator value is 2 and the numerator value is 1. Here the value of numerator is very less when compared to that of denominator. So what we'll do, we'll add 0 to it and we'll add 0 to the numerator. It becomes 10. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So the value is 0.5. Next, we go for the second sum. Here also we check whether the numerator value is less than the denominator value. Here the 7 is less than 10. So we go for the same method like this. Here, since the denominator is very big, we keep a point over here, 0 point, and we add 0 to the numerator. So 7 becomes 70 here. Or 10 ones are 10, 10 sevens are 70. The value of 7, value is 0.7. Next, again we go for the third sum here. Here we check out whether the numerator is less than the denominator. So 4 is less than the denominator 5. So we'll add a point here, 0 point, and add 0 to the numerator. The value becomes 40. Now it is bigger. So we can cancel 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 14. So add value e to 2. So the answer is 0.5. Next comes the final sum, that is the numerator is very less when compared to the denominator. So again I make it as a point over here, 0 point. Now I'm adding 0 to the numerator, which becomes the value 3 as 30. Now we are going to cancel 5 ones are 5 and 5 6 are 30. So after the point we can keep 6. So the value is 6 here, 0.6.